Hey guys, it's your girl Shalicia coming at you with a new video. This one honestly is super quick, and my current routine, since I had an irritation on my skin last week, hence no videos as I was planning to, because my skin is super textured still, but it's starting to calm down. And I was like, you know what, I'm heading off to work today, essential worker for today. And I thought I'd share with you the super easy look I created. No lashes, which is a first because I'm currently out of good lashes. But if you want to see how I got this super flawless, hides most of your imperfections and textures without looking overly heavy, overly done, great for like everyday work, you know, because you can still see my imperfections, but I feel like I look very like even toned, very natural, not too heavy, not too cakey and whatnot. So if you want to see how I got this super simple look, minus the brows because I did them off camera because my camera is dead, whatever, stay tuned to the rest of the video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Feel free to subscribe, comment, like my video. If you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see during this quarantine time, leave a comment down below so I can work on those for you, because I typically keep my same looks, and if I'm not going where I'm not doing any makeup, but seeing we're here and we are in self-isolation, I might as well just work on pumping out videos for y'all. So yeah, like I said, if you want to see how I got this super simple look, stay tuned to the rest of the video, and I'll see you in another one real soon. Bye y'all.
Digits on the beat. 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 on the beat. Digits on the beat. Digits on the beat. Digits on the beat. Digits on the beat.